So this is the pound yen analysis for Monday, the 30th of October. Now, let's just have a look what happened here on the 27th of October. So, on the 27th of October, we're saying we'll have to see how prices reacting around this 49.78 level, and whether we did hold the 49.78 and we'd go on to see a retest of 30.56 before we possibly see some selling, or if we did break and hold the level, see how price reacts around 51.25, whether we do get a double top for a further selling momentum, or we do get a break and continuation to the upside. Now, what we did see was a breakdown in prices indicated by this candle closing near the lows here on the hourly chart. We were expecting prices to continue all the way down to we did say see how price react around 200 period moving average, or possibly go down to its 400 period moving average. Next beyond that would be the major level of 48.46. We haven't seen price exactly come down to this 400 period moving average. We do seem to have found some support at present in off this 49 level. So if we do find the support around this 49, the immediate continuation would expect is a move up to this 49.78. So if we do see move 49.78, we'll see whether we do get a breakdown in prices, or whether we do break, consolidate, and continue up to test this 50.56 and 51.25. If we do break down, however, we're looking for a proper retest of the 400 period moving average, or this major level down at 48.46. Now those levels are pretty close, and the ATR on the pound yen is pretty large. So we'll have a look over here on the chart, and we did find some support in around the 48 level. So as we're trading all the way up at 149.43, again, we could potentially see prices break down beyond the 400 period moving average, currently sitting at 148.87. A move all the way down, a break of the 48.46. We were looking for. We did find some support in around the 48 level, as indicated here to the left of the chart, and here over here again, and also there again at the 48 level. So the 48 level does seem to be a good level beyond the 48.46, where we could potentially see some support, beyond which we've got the major level of 47.35. Now, if we do get a continuation upwards 51.25, and we don't have a double top at the 51.25, we'll be looking at all the way up at 52.85 for our next major resistance. So let's just have a look at the higher time frames. So on these so on this higher time frame, we were expecting a bullish momentum continuation, and we do seem poised for that, even though the month of October does appear to be a bearish month. We're going to close bearish. We're still operating in the shadow of this large bullish, pretty much engulfing candle here in the month of September. We've not retraced quite heavily within that candle, which indicates that there is a degree of caution by the pound bears, and there is a degree of bullishness on the pound bulls, especially against the yen. So we are expecting continuation, so we may not close this month bullish, but I would expect further continuation to the upside for the pound against the yen, especially in light of this bullish trend on the monthly chart. On this weekly chart here as well, we can see that we are clearly in an uptrend. We've had some heavy retracements along the way, but overall we've posted a series of higher lows. We are operating in the shadow of this very bullish candle. We've not seen bearish continuation from the large bearish candle there. Instead, what we've saw is some pretty decent momentum to the upside here on the weekly charts, closing near their highs. Now we are operating in the shadow of this last week's candle closing bearish with a pin, so we do have to bear that in mind. But in light of the overall trend, we do see a bullish bias on the weekly chart. Now let's just have a look at the daily. So on the daily chart, let's grab the pen. Suppose we did find support here, which acted as resistance over here on 2 occasions. We have seen price come up to this 51.25, and we have seen some selling momentum. So if we do hold this 20 period moving average, again we'll be looking for these prices to move up to 51.25, beyond which our most recent swing highs in around 52.85, and beyond that we were looking all the way up at 54.72. But the medium term targets all the way at 52.85. If I reduce the retracements, again we'll be looking for this next major level down at 47.35, and if we don't hold, 48.46. So I think that should pretty much wrap up. Although, let's see, before we wrap it all up, we could potentially have a high there and a lower high here, because we have retraced quite a bit, but we have to see our price direct around this 20 period moving average, whether we do hold it or if we do negate this strong bullish candle here on the 20th. So that should wrap up the pound yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.